Picture this. You're trying to bake a cake, and instead of reading a lengthy recipe, you stumble upon a reel where someone whips up a chocolate masterpiece in 60 seconds, throwing in relatable quips like, if I can do it, you can too. That's educational content marketing in action. Education content marketing isn't about just selling, it's about teaching. It's like the golden retriever of marketing strategies. Friendly, loyal, and genuinely wants to help you out. A few brands who are currently killing it with education content marketing in India are Patanjali, Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Chroma, Blue Tokai, The Good Bug, etc. So what are these brands exactly doing? And what can you also do to incorporate educational content marketing in your business? I am Hiral and welcome to Level Up with Hiral. And I will take you through the whole process, its objectives, the different types of educational content marketing, the best practices for this, and how can it help your business level up faster. It involves creating content by providing value to your audience, by solving problems, answering questions, and sharing knowledge. From how to blogs and explainer videos to ebooks and webinars, this strategy prioritizes value over hard selling. So let's take a deep dive into what educational content marketing is all about. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe. Educational content marketing transforms brands from being just sellers to trusted advisors. It's not about having just a transactional relationship with your audience. It is about empowering your audience. At its core, educational marketing is about helping, not selling. It's a strategy where brands create valuable informative content to solve problems, answer questions, and provide insights relevant to their audience. This isn't a hard sell or a flashy advertisement. Instead, it's about meeting your audience where they are and offering them knowledge to move forward confidently. So why is educational content marketing a big deal at all? Marketing today isn't just about getting people to click buy now. It's about guiding them through a journey like a thoughtful bestie who wouldn't let you buy terrible shoes and often skeptical. Traditional advertising no longer commands attention the way it used to. Instead, people gravitate towards brands that offer genuine value and a clear understanding of their needs. This is where educational content marketing fits seamlessly into the customer journey and the marketing funnel. But wait, what is a marketing funnel? A marketing funnel is a visual representation of the stages a customer goes through when making a purchase. It's a strategic model that helps marketing and sales team plan and measure their efforts to attract, engage, and convert potential customers. Educational content is different for each stage. First comes the awareness stage. At this stage, customers are identifying their needs or problems. Educational content like blog posts or explainer videos acts like a guiding light, helping them recognize and articulate their challenges. By offering free, valuable information, you grab their attention and establish yourself as an expert. Something like how-to guides, explainer videos, or list articles. Next comes the consideration stage. Here, they've narrowed down their options but haven't chosen yet. This is where you can showcase how your product or service solves their particular problem. This can be something like case studies, webinars, or research papers that go deeper into the solution. Once they're aware of the problem, customers find options to address it. Your content can position your brand as the go-to resource with detailed comparisons. Finally comes the decision stage. At this point, the customer is ready to choose a solution. Here, educational content solidifies this trust with testimonials, in-depth FAQs, and insights into why your product or service is the best choice for them. All this being said, educational content is not just a shiny tool in your marketing kit. It has very specific objectives. First, building trust. People don't like being sold to directly. By sharing helpful content, you can show people that you care about their needs. Educational content makes your brand more reliable. And when people see you genuinely answering their questions, they feel confident in your expertise. So building trust is the first step towards loyalty. Generating leads. Educational content attracts the right kind of audience. Those who are actually interested in what you offer. You can then capture the information for future marketing campaigns. Boosting brand awareness. When you create high quality content that gets shared, your brand name spreads like wildfire. Informative content keeps your audience involved. Whether they're reading, sharing, or commenting, the right content encourages interaction, creating a sense of connection with your brand. Nurturing leads. Not everyone's ready to buy right away. Educational content keeps them engaged and reminds them how amazing you are while they make their decision. Establishing expertise. By constantly providing valuable insights, you become a thought leader in your industry. The ultimate goal of educational content is to empower your audience to make informed decisions. Whether it's purchasing your product, signing up for a service, or simply trusting your advice. It's about building a foundation for action. Now, let's get a little creative. What kind of educational content can you actually create? Blog posts, tackle industry trends, answer FAQs, or offer step-by-step guides. Basically, your blog is a knowledge treasure chest. Blogs are versatile tools for addressing specific queries, sharing detailed insights, or offering step-by-step guidance. They are excellent for SEO, helping your brand appear in search results when people look up for solutions. Infographics. You can condense complex information into visually appealing, easily digestible treats. Videos. You can make explainer videos, tutorials, or even interviews with industry experts. Podcasts are pretty trending nowadays. Visual content is particularly effective for explaining complex topics. Short animated videos make it easier for your audiences to understand your message. Webinars. For deeper engagement, webinars allow for live interaction and detailed discussions on industry relevant topics. They are great for showcasing your expertise in real time. You can offer in-depth dives into specific topics. Social media posts. Short, engaging and direct social media posts are excellent for quick tips, bite-sized information, and linking to more detailed content. Share small pieces of wisdom, industry news, or host interactive Q&A sessions. You can have industry-specific memes on your social media page, which makes your content way more relatable. Ebooks and research papers. You can offer in-depth downloadable content in exchange for an email address. A lot of companies also send newsletters to keep popping up in their audience's emails again and again. Now, if you're still unsure whether education content marketing is a must-have strategy, then I'll tell you why. It helps you build authority and credibility. When you focus on educating rather than selling, you establish credibility. Audiences come to view your brand as knowledgeable and trustworthy, which naturally leads to a stronger reputation. It helps you attract a wider audience. Educational content taps into broader audiences by addressing universal problems or needs. People may find your content while looking for some solutions and in the process discover your brand. It helps you nurture long-term relationships. By consistently providing valuable information, you create a relationship with your audience based on trust and reliability. It's like planting seeds into your audience's brain. Remember that inception moment when they think buying from you was their idea? Educational content does exactly that. It gently nudges people through the funnel without being pushy. Now, isn't that smart? It's cost-effective and long-lasting. Unlike traditional ads which have a short lifespan, educational content continues to provide value over time. A well-written guide or an evergreen blog post can generate leads and traffic for years, improves SEO performance. Very, very important. Search engines reward high-quality informative content. By answering your audience's question, you boost your visibility in search rankings, driving more organic traffic to your website. Now, creating effective educational content requires careful planning and execution. Here are some key practices that you can follow. First and foremost, understand your audience deeply. The effectiveness of your content depends on how well you know your audience. What are their challenges? What kind of information do they seek? Tailoring your content to these needs ensures it resonates. Offer genuine value. Always prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on solving real problems, answering questions, or providing actionable insights. Content that lacks substance can break trust. Diversify content formats. Different audiences prefer different kinds of content. By offering a mix of videos, blogs, social media posts, etc., you can engage a broader audience and cater to varied preferences. Maintain consistency. Successful content marketing requires a regular publishing schedule. Being consistent helps people look forward to your content and keeps you fresh in their minds. Measure and optimize. Track how your content is performing. Metrics like page views, engagement rates, and conversions offer insights into what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your strategy. So overall, education content marketing isn't just a tool, it's an investment in your brand's long-term success. By helping your audience navigate their challenges, you build relationships based on trust, position yourself as an expert, and drive meaningful engagement. As you embark on this journey, remember, the goal isn't just to inform, it's to empower. When your audience feels equipped to make confident decisions, they'll naturally gravitate towards your brand, not just as customers but as advocates. So start creating content that educates, inspires, and leaves a lasting impact. The results will speak for themselves. That's all from my side, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you did like it, then please like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe. Ciao for now.